Did you know that there are 17 hot niches poised for profit this year? I've sifted through extensive data to pinpoint the top 17 trending niches that are currently lucrative. Moreover, there are various avenues to capitalize on these trends, including selling print-on-demand or digital products, producing AI-generated content for platforms like YouTube and TikTok, and earning through affiliate marketing. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Let's delve into the first trend: Japanese culture and art. Utilizing tools like Google Trends, we can gauge the popularity of search topics over time. Comparing trends over the past 5 years reveals the upward trajectory of interest in Japanese culture and art, presenting ample opportunities for monetization. For instance, platforms like Redbubble and Etsy showcase the demand for Japanese-themed print-on-demand products, such as mugs featuring classic artworks like those by Matsumoto Hoji, now in the public domain. Additionally, digital products like printable Japanese wall art are gaining traction on platforms like Etsy. Dropshippers can tap into the popularity of Japanese streetwear on platforms like AliExpress, while content creators on YouTube and TikTok can capitalize on the trend through engaging quiz and list videos, garnering substantial views and potential revenue. Moving on to trend number 2, retirement. Google Trends data illustrates a consistent uptick in interest in retirement over the years, which is logical considering the increasing number of retirees annually. This trend offers numerous opportunities for online businesses to thrive. For instance, print-on-demand stores cater to the demand for retirement-themed gifts, such as the popular mug and digital printable retirement posters, garnering hundreds of reviews on platforms like Etsy. Affiliate marketing in this niche is particularly lucrative, promoting products aiding individuals in retirement planning and investment, such as the Capitalist Exploits Hedge Funds affiliate program, which offers substantial commissions ranging from $1,500 to $3,000 per sale. Next up, trend number 3, AI chatbots. While interest in AI artists may have plateaued, the enthusiasm for AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Bard AI, and Copilot remains steadfast and appears to be growing. Creating tutorial videos on how to use these chatbots can be highly profitable due to the significantly higher ad rates for AI-related content. For example, a YouTube video featuring ChatGPT garnered over $20 per 1,000 views, far exceeding the typical ad revenue range of $2 to $8 per 1,000 views on the platform. Now, let's discuss trend number 4, politics. Although politics may not be everyone's cup of tea, it presents a prime opportunity for monetization this year, particularly with the upcoming US election. Despite current Google Trends data not reflecting significant trendiness, past election cycles indicate a surge in interest closer to the event, suggesting a similar pattern this year. There are various avenues to capitalize on this trend, including selling politically themed products on platforms like Etsy, where items catering to diverse political affiliations enjoy popularity. Content creators on platforms such as YouTube and TikTok can also capitalize on the trend through political commentary and news videos, which have the potential to go viral and generate substantial ad revenue. Alternatively, quiz videos focusing on political trivia offer a less controversial yet profitable approach, as demonstrated by the success of quiz videos on TikTok, attracting millions of views. Now onto trend number 5, the Boho Style aesthetic. A glance at Google Trends reveals a significant resurgence of interest in the Boho style this year. Characterized by natural materials and vibrant color schemes, this aesthetic draws inspiration from counterculture movements like the hippie era. In the realm of dropshipping, boho jewelry such as the popular bracelets on AliExpress has seen remarkable sales. Similarly, e-commerce platforms like Etsy showcase a plethora of boho-inspired merchandise, like the t-shirt with boho motifs that boasts over 300 reviews. Personally, I find the style appealing, especially given Canva's abundance of graphics in this aesthetic, which simplifies the creation of clothing designs. For those keen on learning how to create trending print-on-demand products like t-shirts using Canva, I've included a link to my free ebook in the video description below. Moving on to trend number 6, decluttering. This trend is currently experiencing a surge in interest across video content platforms like TikTok, where individuals document their decluttering endeavors. On platforms like Etsy, digital and printable products catering to this niche, such as the trending printable declutter checklist planner, are gaining traction among customers. Next up, trend number 7, deep work. This concept refers to the ability to focus deeply on tasks without succumbing to distractions. Google Trends reflects a steady rise in interest in mastering this skill, with no signs of slowing down. One lucrative avenue within this niche is leveraging advertising revenue on video content platforms like YouTube and TikTok. Study with me videos, where individuals film themselves studying intently, are currently in vogue, with some TikTok videos amassing over 10 million views. Additionally, creating quiz videos focused on specific study subjects, as demonstrated by certain TikTok accounts catering to medical school students, can also garner substantial viewership. Now, let's discuss trend number 8, the Preppy Aesthetic. Google Trends indicates a growing interest in this niche, characterized by its positive, sunny disposition and vibrant color palettes. Pink, blue, and white hues are prevalent in this aesthetic. Opportunities for monetization abound, particularly through AliExpress dropshipping, where preppy bracelet-making kits are in high demand. Similarly, Etsy features a plethora of best-selling wall art in the preppy aesthetic, including printable wall art posters. On to trend number 9, stained glass designs. Google Trends reveals a sustained trend in stained glass designs over the past 2 years, with no signs of waning interest. While the exact cause of this trend remains unclear, it's evident that it's currently in vogue. Etsy hosts numerous best-selling printable stained glass patterns, popular among hobbyists creating intricate stained glass art pieces. Moreover, the stained glass art style lends itself well to print-on-demand products like mugs, with new stores capitalizing on this trend. Additionally, the style is trending on AliExpress, particularly in the form of window privacy film stickers. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Moving on to trend number 10, saving money and budgeting. Despite a potential slowdown in inflation, the cost of living remains high. Google Trends indicates a consistent upward trend in interest surrounding saving money since the onset of inflation. This trend has coincided with YouTube's algorithm recommending financial budgeting and auditing videos, contributing to the rapid growth of channels like Caleb Hammers. Budgeting has emerged as a hot niche, sparking renewed interest in related topics such as couponing and thrifting, which saw declines post-pandemic but are now regaining popularity. Notably, budgeting apps like YNAB offer generous affiliate programs, providing opportunities for passive income through referrals, even if conversions aren't immediate. Now, on to trend number 11, knitting. Google Trends data indicates a consistent rise in the popularity of knitting as a hobby. This trend presents various avenues for monetization, such as creating print-on-demand merchandise for knitters on platforms like Redbubble and Etsy. Additionally, AliExpress regularly features trending items like automatic knitting machines, with related TikTok videos garnering millions of views and likes. Next up, trend number 12, video marketing. Google Trends reflects a significant uptick in interest in video marketing across platforms like YouTube and TikTok. This trend isn't platform-specific. encompassing both YouTube and TikTok video marketing. For aspiring entrepreneurs considering starting a social media agency, specializing in video marketing services offers promising prospects for profitability. Informal, budget-friendly videos discussing tips have proven successful on platforms like TikTok, generating substantial views. Now, let's discuss trend number 13, customized gifts. Google Trends data indicates a steady increase in interest in customized gifts over time, a trend supported by internal data from platforms like Etsy. Personalized digital downloadable gifts, such as customized pet portraits and minimalist human portraits, are particularly popular among Etsy shoppers. Additionally, print-on-demand products like customized mugs sell well on platforms like Etsy, while custom jewelry is in high demand on AliExpress. Moving on to trend number 14, urban planning and walkable cities. The concept of walkable cities, emphasizing pedestrian-friendly urban design, has seen a resurgence in interest, as reflected in Google Trends data. This trend is accompanied by a parallel increase in interest in public transport. Entrepreneurs can capitalize on this trend by creating gifts themed around transportation, such as t-shirts featuring train motifs, which sell well on platforms like Etsy. Now, on to trend number 15, the high-protein diet. Google Trends data indicates a steady rise in interest in high-protein diets, surpassing previous levels of popularity. Entrepreneurs can leverage this trend by promoting protein powder and meal kits through affiliate programs, such as Protein Works, which offers attractive commission rates. Additionally, creating recipe videos for high-protein meals on platforms like YouTube and TikTok has proven to be successful, attracting viewers interested in adopting this dietary approach. Next up, trend number 16, neurodiversity. Google Trends reveals a growing interest in neurodiversity, reflecting broader societal shifts toward understanding and embracing neurodivergent conditions like ADHD. This trend has led to increased demand for neurodiversity-themed gifts, such as print-on-demand t-shirts and digital products like printable journals catering to the neurodiversity community. Lastly, trend number 17, the 2000s decade. Google Trends highlights a shift in trending decades from the 80s and 90s to the 2000s. Nostalgia associated with this era has led to increased interest in 2000s-inspired fashion, particularly Gothic clothing, which sells well on platforms like AliExpress. Entrepreneurs can tap into this trend by offering niche products like 2000s-themed merchandise on platforms such as Etsy, where relatively new stores are experiencing rapid success. If you love this Make Money online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!